Welcome to the channel Healthy Treats. In this video, I am going to share with you a great detox drink recipe that burns belly and body fat. With this drink, you can get rid of your excess weight very easily and quickly. Intestines are cleaned, blood is purified from the bad cholesterol, and the body will be completely renewed. For this, we need 3 medium lemons in a bowl and pour boiling water over them. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then take 4 medium green apples. Use only green apples. This detox drink removes all toxins from the body. And also it strengthens the immune system perfectly. When excess fat, bad cholesterol and toxins are gone, our immune system gets stronger. This detox drink perfectly cleanses the intestine and digestive system. Green apples are high in fiber and water content, both of the qualities that help us eat lesser and promote weight loss. It has high fiber content which helps in increasing the body's metabolism. It also keeps the liver and digestive system away from harmful elements. Green apple is packed with antioxidants. It is rich in fiber and is great for heart health. It is a beauty warrior and also keeps us mentally fit. Never eat the seeds of green apples or any kind of apples because they are poisonous. Put the apples in a saucepan. Now sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the lemons and start washing the lemons with a brush. Sprinkle the salt on the lemons, only just before washing, so that the salt is not absorbed. This is how we wash away the chemicals in the lemon. Now, rinse the lemon again in cold water. Lemon is a natural antioxidant. Lemon helps to burn fat and detoxify the body. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C and flavonoids, which are antioxidants. Now, add the lemons in the saucepan. Then pour 1 liter of water. Now heat the mixture until it boils. After boiling, you need to close the lid and cook for 20 minutes on low heat. Now we have to let it cool. Next we need a glass jar and put 2 cinnamon sticks in it. Pour the cooled water through a sieve. Cinnamon helps you lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. It helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, boosts insulin function and metabolism as well. Close the lid and wrap it with a towel. Let it brew for 30 minutes. Now, how and how much you should drink. As we boiled, the acidity of the lemon get decreased. You can drink this every day. Prepare 1 liter of this detox drink and drinking throughout the day. In the morning, drink it 30 to 40 minutes after breakfast. At lunch, 1 hour later after meal. And in the evening, 30 to 40 minutes after the dinner. You will get great results after 7 days you started drinking the detox water. Your facial skin will shine, dark spots on the skin will disappear and also hairs and nails will become stronger. You will wake up easily in the morning and started to feel good and energetic. Your belly fat will get decreased and you can feel lightness in the body. And your overall health improves. Even people who have stomach problems can also drink this type of detox water. I wish you health, happiness, beauty and wonderful life. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for upcoming useful videos. Thank you for watching.